Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to make the corners. Okay, how to make the round corners. It's very simple. What you need to do is first we need to select it, right? So choose rectangle or press U and select rectangle, and here you can choose fill solid. Okay, you need to fill solid. Okay, I'm going to choose white and the stroke should be none. And then I'm going to choose this round corner here. Okay, fine. Cool. Now I'm going to block this like this. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. So all the corner you can see there is a round corner. Now what I'm going to do is, it's very simple. Now I need to right click and click make selections. Cool. So give OK. Now it is selected, and then choose your picture. Okay, choose the layer, picture layer, and then click on this clipping mask. So here it is a clipping mask. Also you can click it here. So click on this clipping mask, and then you can see here. So we need to click and drag the image layer on top of this. So now you can see there is a round corner. Okay, it's very simple, right? This is the way you can create a round corner in Photoshop. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.